morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for having me again. Always remember the brain is a muscle and you have to exercise it for clarity and sharpness. We went through the first of the 7 steps to getting your 3x3 Rubik Cube solution. Remember, I also do Sudoku puzzles, so you can check Ultimate Sudoku Brain Challenge series on YouTube. And on paperback actually on Amazon, just to keep your brain sharp. Now let's get on to a solution. The second solution is to do the end pieces. So first thing you need to make sure is your yellows are appearing on the sides. So if any yellow appears down, then just know you need to put it somewhere on the side so you can be able to do this particular solution. So this first yellow and green, you see yellow and green up here. Just do that very fast and then put it back. Yellow, yellow, green and red. The next one, let's try our yellow and orange. So yellow and orange, there you go. The third, there is another yellow and orange also here. So this one, go to the other side and you see we got the last point. Where's your yellow and red? So yellow and red, there you go. So your first level is done. That was step 2 of the 3x3 Sudoku puzzle. Thank you for having me. Always remember the brain is a muscle and you've got to exercise it for clarity and sharpness.